Viewers, suddenly Turkish drones have gone silent in Libya. Within the last 72 hours, no major airstrike was conducted by Turkish drones on LNA targets. I have been covering this war for almost 2 months now. Regularly, I upload videos, and never did I see 3 consecutive days in which no airstrike was conducted by Turkish drones. Definitely decreased in their activities. What is the reason behind that, viewers? Some analysts are saying that more and more Turkish drones are being shot down by LNA, as was claimed yesterday by LNA spokesperson Al Mizmari. Yesterday, Al Mizmari said that 13 Turkish drones had been shot down in the past few days, and most of them near Tarhona. Al Mizmari did not provide any footages to back his claim. He said that LNA had superiority in the air, and that a big surprise was on the way for his enemies. Is this the reason behind this decrease in activities of Turkish drones, viewers? Well, I think, viewers, that both the sides, LNA and GNA, are preparing for a large scale war, especially GNA and Turkey. Turkey and GNA are focusing more on building up their defenses, viewers. And it all started with the announcement of this massive air campaign by LNA. Just a few days ago, LNA Air Chief announced the launching of a massive air campaign, largest in Libyan history. And LNA Air Chief had said that it was going to be very painful for his enemies. We saw a flight of Russian fighter jets from Russian airbase in Syria to back Haftar forces. Later, Haftar forces said that these were refurbished fighter jets of Libyan Air Force. Then, viewers, the fighters of LNA who are retreating from different fronts like Al Watia, Tiji, Badr, Al Asabiya, south of Tripoli, they are actually repositioning themselves. They are going to other fronts. They are not wasting their human and capital resources. So other fronts like Bani Walid, Tarhona, Sirat, Al Jufra, these are being consolidated by LNA. Now GNA is also responding in the same manner, viewers. They are taking this announcement of massive air campaign by LNA very seriously, because if LNA launches this air campaign, Turkey and GNA will need three things. Firstly, they will need fighter jets, and we saw that Turkish fighter jets, they conducted air drills over the Mediterranean near Libyan borders. Then news came that 2 F-16 were deployed at Misrata airport, though no confirmation of this news. Secondly, they will need, viewers, air defense systems against this expected air campaign by LNA. And just a few days ago, some pictures came out in which newly installed Hawk air defense system at Misrata airport was seen. So Turkey has installed this new air defense system Hawk at Misrata, and this Hawk is also installed at Mitiga airport in Tripoli. Now it has also been installed here in Misrata as well, viewers. Then, viewers, the flight of Turkish military transport planes from Turkey to Libya, to Misrata specifically, these flights have increased a lot, because within the last 5 days, 5 flights of C-130 military transport plane, 5 flights were recorded from Turkey to Misrata. That shows, viewers, that a lot of military equipment is pouring in from Turkey into Libya, because if this massive air campaign is launched by LNA, definitely GNA will need anti-aircraft weapons, Stinger missiles, Korkut anti-aircraft guns, and other stuff which can be used to target fighter jets. So Turkey and GNA, they are building up their defense in case this massive air campaign is launched by LNA. That is why the activity of drones, this activity has decreased, but it does not mean that more drones are being shot down, but it means that both the sides are preparing for a large scale war. In the coming days, we'll see if this large scale war happens or not, but preparations are on the way, viewers. Then, viewers, this Al-Wati airbase, it was captured by GNA and Turkey. If Turkey intends to use this as a permanent military airbase, definitely it will require equipment there. It will have to build up its defense there, and these flights of C-130 military transport cargo planes, they might be related to this Turkey's intention to use this Al-Wati airbase as a permanent military airbase of Turkey in Libya, viewers. That we'll see in the coming days. Thank you for watching.